السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. انتو وضع انتين لكن عدكيني وهاسو يالا حوغا. السلام عليكم سيتهين مقعيقا نمع الشيخ عبدikadir وحاون ترسمي كرسيga women rep Wajeer. I'm a 22 years old, a young person, and today my message is I'm an independent candidate. So Hizbi Malihi, if Ruto becomes the president, he's our deputy president. What's the problem with that? If Raila becomes the president, he was our prime minister. What is the problem with that? At the end of the day, what matters is, do Somalis in Kenya, and especially from Wajeer, have stake in the government? So, sida inaan isku kala qaybino waa fiican tahay. Teeda kale waxa weeye sida idinka kuraad uga rabtiin ciidahayni aan anakana kurni garabna. Kwayo waxaan maanta u imaaday inaan ni bariyo oo ni dhaha I'm the youngest candidate. Walaaliyaalo waa ni barya. I'm still single. Wiil Landere Ahmed. Wiil Landere oo Maxamed Suweerna way ugu diri kartiin. Teeda labaad, the beauty of democracy is every and each Kenyan can go anywhere in this country and vie for any political seats, ndio. Kwa hiyo hakuna cha Wajeer ni ya fulani ama sijui ni nani. Sisi hatujajua ukabila. Na sasa hii tunataka kuambia watu wa Wajeer, whether you are a Juran, Ogaden, Dogodia, it doesn't matter. Somali Mohamed Somanani. Somali Mohamed Somanani. Shanta Somali hanolata. Ahmed Mukhtar haduu governor noqdo, deputy governor gainu waha maanintu governor nimadana soo galay Wajeer East iyo West ma kala bixinin Soma. That's the beauty of democracy. So thank you very much. Walaalayaal kurihiina u baahanahay.